What's your story? Chances are you have a really good story to tell. It could be your life story, it could be your hero's journey, it could be a success story that you've transcended obstacles and you've come out on the other side more successful. Whatever your story is, it deserves to be told. And you might be telling it right now, but maybe you're not so sure if you're telling it the right way in your various marketing materials. I'm Andy O'Brien, and I'm going to help you to improve your story and build upon it so that it resonates with your target audience a little better. This is a story selling workshop, and it's coming up May 5th, and I hope you can join me for it. What I'm going to do is give you some story templates and a story outline that you can use. I'm also going to describe in pretty good detail before you get going on writing it about how to write your story the best way so that people will resonate with it. So then, once I do that, I'm going to send you off. This is a workshop, remember, so you're going to do some work. So you're going to write your story, various versions of it for various things like social media or your about page or bio, whatever. And then when you come back, I'm going to help you tweak it in real time, live with screen sharing, and we're going to get it just right for you. By the end of the workshop, you'll have 3 versions of a story that you can be proud of and that you can put up everywhere you want. So take a look at what I have for you here, and I hope you can join me for this next story selling workshop coming up very soon. Thanks.